Lydul lets you create punch lists with unlimited number of photos per tasks and unlimited number of collaborators. Let's take a look at how multiple crew members can collaborate in a task. Here, we have the desktop app on the left and an iPhone on the right, both looking at the same task in the same punch list. As soon as someone starts working, it is easy to provide updates such as text, photos, or videos. Lydul is collaborative. It makes it easy to invite new users and works online as well as offline. It is good practice to mark items as done once the work is completed. Then, upon inspection, it is possible to add photos to document the completion of the work. And finally, marking an item as reviewed will freeze the task entirely so no one can modify it anymore. That's it. Now you can see for yourself how easy it is to collaborate on a task in Lydul.